Welcome everyone. It's time to trace a young cute fairy as shown here. Just few curves and you are able to draw this beautiful fairy. See her hair and the wings. It looks very simple and you can draw it well. You can color wherever needed and rest you can just give few strokes like shown here. Using few numbers, we can make a man like 2, 3, 4, 7. We can make use of these numbers, draw a man as shown here. You can use any of the colors as you want. These two guys look cheerful and joyful. They are just moving to somewhere but look very happy and they are moving passionately. Difficulty level for this drawing is very easy. You can use sketch pen, pencil or any of your favorite colors for shading them. Let's try to depict the world's most beautiful bond that's between a child and his father. It's only the parents who love you unconditionally and see how this cute little kid is enjoying the ride on his father's back. You can draw this one. You might find difficulty in drawing some cartoon characters, but from today onwards you will be able to draw it easily as shown here. You can use any of your favorite colors. We are using the lighter ones because they may look suitable here. Now we are trying to draw a boy who is sleeping and is having a peaceful sleep and he might be dreaming. See how cool his night suit is. It's full of the star motifs. You can try to draw this one. This is another animated painting and see how a baby is coming out of the shell of an egg. It's very simple to draw and you can try this one. It's suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 10 years old. It's turn to draw a girl who is playing and jumping with full of joy. Her happiness is apparent from her face expressions and it's very easy to draw. This drawing is suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10 years. Now last one but not the least. It's the character from the Hansel and the Gretel. See how easy it is. In just few steps you will be able to draw this one. The difficulty level is medium and it's suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 12 years. Thanks for watching.